We are going to be doing how to fix a doorknob. So let's get started.
Okay, Mr. Fix It, make a repair video. We are changing the doorknob. And Pierce is how old?
Huh?
And you know how to fix doorknobs?
Yeah.
Other way. Can you tell everybody what you have to do?
I have to take the whole entire door down and replace it with that door over there.
Doorknob?
Yeah, I'm just joking. I just have to take the doorknob out, and so on the other side. Take those two new ones, put them in, and boom.
What's your first step?
To take them out.
The screws out? And then that's the inside. There, just turn it. Nope, put it in. Turn it. There you go.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so I have to take this out, which is pretty easy. I just gotta slide it. Okay, so I gotta put the same thing back in, but it has to be the new one. And then I have two new doorknob handles that I'm gonna put in, and then the door will be all ready again.
Good.
I have to put the new outside one inside of the hole. Okay. It's in.
Okay.
It's in staple. To take these ones out, and then I have to do something else for the other doorknob. Okay. Now that I have both screws out, new doorknob, better than the old one. And now I can just, okay, now that they're matched up, I can start putting in the screws. Okay, so now that I have the things in, it can open and close like a normal doorknob. The doorknobs won't come apart. You can close, open, and even if I go outside. Thank you for joining me on my quest to fix a doorknob.